Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing another unboxing and this time it is from Influenster. And if you've been on the channel following me for a little bit of time, you know that periodically I get stuff from Influenster and we look at it, we unbox it, we review it, and we kind of just see what the deal is with what they sent me. So also with Influenster, I didn't pay for any of this stuff. It was all given to me complimentary for review purposes. And the way that Influenster works is anyone can sign up for this. So you can sign up right now. There is a referral link down below in the description box, so if you want to go ahead and use that, that would be great. But basically what it does is you go on, you connect your social media accounts to it, you also fill out some surveys and things of things that you like and that you don't like, things that you use, and then Influencer, as products come in and as companies work with them to try to get reviews for their products, then they will pick out what might be best for you and they'll send you those boxes as different things. So I've gotten a few things from them. I've gotten makeup, I've gotten dog stuff from my dog, and this time around we are unboxing the Celestial Seasonings Teawell box. This box comes with, I believe, 4 different flavors. We're gonna open it up. And it's interesting because I think the reason that they sent it to me, Live Well, Be Well, Teawell, is because I have filled out some surveys regarding nutrition, health products, different foods and beverages that I like. And then obviously, you know, with the channel being keto, low carb friendly, all of those things, I think that's why they sent this one to me. So I was a little surprised, but we're gonna open it up. I've had it for a little while and I haven't actually tried any of it yet. But when we open it up, we're gonna see what we have here. And what we are going to do is after we open and see all the flavors, I'm going to make one of each flavor and we're gonna try it and we're gonna see how does it taste. Is it good? Is it bad? I'm not a huge tea person. I will say the tea I'll be able to compare it to is throat coat tea. Obviously I've also had chai and I use a special voice tea that is made down in Nashville for when I'm singing. So that's really the only tea that I really use. So let's see, I opened it up and immediately inside we see all the different flavors falling out. So we have 2 of the lemon chamomile. These are both caffeine free. We also have ginger mint. Ginger mint sounds really interesting. I do like ginger in my coffee drinks, and if you've ever had a ginger turmeric latte, it's the best. Okay, basic, your honey lemon. Honey lemon. These are also, by the way, caffeine free. The lemon was caffeine free. The ginger mint was also caffeine free. Now I think they made a mistake because I have 3 of the last flavor and that is it. So this last flavor is the Matcha Green. So you've got your green tea there. I have had this type of flavor before and all 3 of these do contain caffeine. So these have caffeine, everything else is caffeine free. Now, why are these so special? Why are we trying them out? Why do they send them to me? It does say that all of these flavors are organic and that they help with your antioxidant support, immune support, digestion, and mental vitality. I use ketones in my life. I've used ketones for a few years now. Nowhere near as strict anymore as I was. However, the one thing that I do love is the keto cream. Keto cream is different than ketones. It's basically a powder that you use to make your bulletproof coffee, but it does a lot of these types of things. It does also help with antioxidants, it helps with mental vitality, and the ketones also did help with digestion and bloat and all of those things. So I'm used to drinks, supplement drinks that help with these areas. We are going to make the ginger mint, make the lemon chamomile, make the honey lemon, and make the matcha and see what happens. Really quick, before I go ahead and boil the teapot, would you go ahead, like this video if you're into the unboxings, or if you've ever had these teas, I do want to know what flavor you think before we try it. What flavor do you think is the best? The green tea, the lemon chamomile, the honey lemon, or that ginger mint? Which one do you think is going to be the best? Which one am I going to hate? Let's guess. Like this video, subscribe to the channel so that you're updated on all the new things that are coming out. Now let's go boil some water. Okay, we are back and it says to let them steep for 2 minutes, so I've been letting them do that. I do have it all organized, just like in the pictures of which one is which, and the smells right now are interesting because they're all mixing together, and the ridiculousness of this is that I have the 4 teas in front of me, plus I have my Starbucks, hey. And I also have an old cup of coffee sitting in front of me as well. So it's, you know, not for the faint of heart. Here we go. So the first one that we have is the lemon chamomile, and I'm just kind of letting that go. It does smell really good. It doesn't smell overpowering. There's organic dandelion, European elderberry, Asian ginseng in here. Also some of that green tea. So we are going to try it, and okay, this is really, really light. It's not overpowering. It almost tastes like nothing, and there's not a lot of water, so it's not like it's dissipating amongst a lot of hot water. It tastes good. It's really basic. Nothing really special about it. I think it's just super light. The next one that we have is honey lemon. That is up next. I'm kind of just dunking that. The color is a very like honey gold color in here, and we're gonna try it. This one would probably be great if there was honey in it. Again, it doesn't have a very strong flavor. These are very, very light. I think if you're really just looking for a tea just to have a hot beverage, not necessarily flavor, that the lemon chamomile or the honey lemon would be to what you want. I don't also taste a lot of the lemon. I don't taste a lot of lemon. So far these to me are very basic. The lemon chamomile and honey lemon. Basic, nothing really special about them at all. Now the next one is the green tea. So we have the Matcha Green-Tea, and it is green. Let's see. It does smell really good. I'm just gonna give it another couple dunks just to really be fair, right? Here we go. This one I like. Again, it's your basic green tea. There's nothing really overwhelming. I did leave the ginger mint to last, and that's been steeping the longest. We'll see how that one comes out. I can see how if you're having tea specifically for some of these health reasons, why you would enjoy it. Again, I think the green tea and an iced latte would be really great. Okay, let's try. That one is good. You definitely taste more of the tea in the green tea than you do with the lemon variety that they had here. Now, our very last one is the ginger mint, and we will try this. Let's see, the ginger mint. I wanna see what it says on the back. So in addition to all of the regular tea ingredients, it has organic spearmint and ginger. So we're gonna try. This one smells the most intense, but in a really good way. You smell that spearmint. It smells like it's gonna taste really good. I don't smell ginger at all, but we are going to try it. Okay, I think out of all 4 of these, if I were to only pick one flavor, I would go with the ginger mint. And it has the most flavor. That mint really does carry through. You get more of the mint than you do of the ginger. However, I think if you're going for like a nice hot tea, that this is what I would go for. But I also personally tend to lean, I like peppermint coffee, I like peppermint mocha lattes, that kind of idea. So I do like this ginger mint. The ginger is not overpowering. If you don't like ginger but you're not a fan, you're not even gonna notice it in here, so I wouldn't even worry about it. I'm gonna try it again. Oh, I got more of a hint of the ginger on that sip, so maybe I take that back. It's not prominent, but it's there, but I like it. So take that for what you will. So we tried the lemon chamomile, the honey lemon, the matcha, and the green mint. If we were to rank all 4 flavors, I think ginger mint gets number 1. I think the matcha gets number 2. And then my honey ones here are kind of on the border. I think lemon chamomile gets 3, and I think honey lemon gets 4. I didn't really notice any of the lemon, and in a honey lemon, I really want to notice both flavors, and I didn't notice it at all. So this is the Teawell unboxing. So if you're looking for tea that helps you out with your immune system, antioxidants, mental vitality, all of those things, I do think that you will like some of these flavors. However, I will say the lemon ones are just basic, but maybe you want a basic tea because you're not really a tea drinker, and I get that because for the longest time, neither was I. So I'm in that with you, I get it. I do get these for free. Will I be buying them? What I'm gonna say, no, I wouldn't. I want more flavor out of the tea. That's just me. I am used to more intense flavors with my throat coat and my voice tea that I get. So that is for me, because I specifically use tea for singing. Now, I do think none of them were bad. So I'm gonna say that. Nothing was gross, nothing was bad, so that was good. Thank you Influenster for this box. Thank you Teawell for letting me try it. If you guys wanna try Influenster and get some free product as well to try out for yourself, then go ahead, use that referral link. All you have to do is connect your social media platforms that you already have and answer some surveys and stuff, and then you're just kind of in the running. So I know I already have another box coming my way that I will do an unboxing for, and that one's interesting because there's actually food in it, so we're gonna try some food, and then there's like lotion, and I don't really know, so that's what's gonna be coming up soon. So go ahead, like this video, tell me which one you think you would like more. Would you like the ginger mint? I think it was good. Where did we rank these? I'm not really sure. I think the lemons are kind of the same. So this was an interesting Influencer box. It was really interesting. I got some teas, we tried them out. I do have extras now. I will use the ones I have. I'm just not gonna be really led to buying any of them because they didn't really stand out to me. They didn't go that next level of, yes, I wanna buy this. I think if you are a basic tea drinker and you just want simple, almost kind of new flavor teas, you would like the 2 lemon varieties. If you want something more, I think that you would like the ginger mint. That was my favorite. So would you go ahead and like this video, subscribe, and also if you're not following me on Instagram or Twitter, what are you doing? Let's get connected, have some conversations. My Instagram is @ShortyCarly and my Twitter is @Voinski. I'll put those on the screen for you. So thank you guys so much for watching, and maybe next time our box will be a little bit better, right? I don't know what this was. So until next time.